Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatnatyam. In this lesson, we are going to learn part 3 of Swalla Jathi. So, if you have not watched part 1 and part 2, I'll just link it over here above my head and in the description box below. The whole playlist. Also, you can see this with the song in that playlist. So, let's begin. So, in second part, we ended up over here. So, right foot up, body balance back, Kataka Mukha above your head. Now, from here, your right foot, which is up, we are going to turn it and place it back. My left foot is flat in Samavada position, right foot is in Agaratala. Okay. While doing this, my hands, Kataka Mukha, mudra is going to be the same, but it's going to go round and we are going to place it diagonally down like this, like Dola Hasta position, but in Kataka Mukha. Okay. So what we are going to do is from here, we are going to go Deen. Okay. It's very quick movement. Then we are going to keep the Kataka Mukha position same. The hand position is going to remain same. Okay. Only legs are going to move because we have that, that particular portion is very fast. So instead of doing hands and legs together, we are just going to do concentrate on the legs. Okay. So from here, we are going to go Pratyalidha to the side. Pratyalidha to the side. Then I'm going to jump on my right. Dittai. Sitting in Aramandi position, my left foot goes dit, dit, tai, and I am going to jump on the same foot, left, dit, tai, keeping my hands in this position. So let's see how it goes. So from here, you turn, tai, dit, tai, dit, tai, dit, tai. Yeah. From here, we are going to make a circle like this. Okay, a quick small circle. I'm going to start from my left side. The movement is tai tai tam, dhit tai tam. Tai tai tam. Why I'm saying dhit tai tam? Because you are going to jump on that foot. So first is tai tai tam, crossing my foot back. Then dhit tai tam. Tai tai tam, dhit tai tam. Tai tai tam, dhit tai tam. This is how you are going to complete the circle. So the leg movement is basically tai tai tam, and you're going to jump on that other foot. Dhit tai tam. So the dhit tai tam is almost on this spot. Tai tai tam you have to cover. While doing this, the hand movements are like this. So you're here. I'm going to raise my right hand and make a diagonal. Tai tai tam and exchange dhit tai tam. Again exchange tai tai tam, dhit tai tam. Alright, so let me show you the hands how it is going to go. So from here, tai tai tam, I'm just doing hands, turn, dhit tai tam, tai tai tam to the center, dhit tai tam, tai tai tam, dhit tai tam. Alright, so I'm always, my hands, my legs are covering the outer circle while my hands are covering, while my hands are pointing inside the circle. Alright, so let's try that from here, hands and legs together. Now from here, tai tai tam, dhit tai tam, tai tai tam, dhit tai tam, tai tai tam, dhit tai tam, and you will end up over here like diagonal. Now from here, we are going to do 3 diditais, to the right, left, and I'm going to face diagonal for third diditai, and it's little different. So watch me carefully. I'm going to sit in Aramandi position, go dit, dit, tai with right, dit, dit, tai with left, and dit, dit, tai. You don't come back because from here, the next phrase already starts. So the whole thing is going to look like this. You're here, take a turn, come back in Samapada position. Now, Alapadma, dit, dit, tai, dit, dit, tai, and front. Tay. All right. So let's do the hands. It's simple. Straight with right, and right remains there. Left. So I am drawing one line and then bringing it back to my chest and placing it forward. Okay. So you ended up over here.